Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off vibrations in Sonic Rumble. Vibrations can be fun, but sometimes you may want to disable them for a quieter gameplay experience or to save battery. First of all, launch open the Sonic Rumble game on your device and make sure the game is fully loaded and updated. From the main menu of Sonic Rumble, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, tap on Customize right next to Battle Settings. On the next page, scroll down to Vibration Settings and then tap on the Off button for whichever vibrations you want to turn off to. For example, if you want to turn off vibration for a jump button, then tap on the Off button right next to Jump button and so on. You can go ahead and turn off vibration for any other actions over there, and that's how you do it. If you want to turn off all the vibrations, then you can turn off all the options on this page. And that's how you easily turn off the vibration setting in Sonic Rumble. Turning off vibration can save battery life on your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.